Hello guys, this is Tiga, and this is a workflow that we just developed. It is a LinkedIn engagement and outreach workflow. So this workflow is divided into two phases. The first phase is to get a profile from a Google Sheet and then like their post, like a post, comment on the post, and then send a connection request. Now, because we know that you cannot send outreach DMs without engaging, without being having them as connections, that is why I had to do this. Now, the second workflow is in such a way that once the connection request has been accepted, it starts sending four outreach DMs messages, which is spaced one in after the first day of connection, after the fourth day, the seventh day, the after 21 days. So it's spaced out. All right. So this is the first phase. This is the Google Sheet. We have just two leads here. So let's run this workflow, which is the engagement workflow. What this will do is to go to the first person's profile, check for a post that they posted, like the post, comment on the post, and then send a connection request. So I was able to I added some time delays because I had to follow LinkedIn's regulations so it doesn't look like a bot, right? So I added some time delays, and also for the connection request, you can depending on your account, some accounts can only send 100 connection requests per week, while some can send 60 per week. But this particular workflow, I made it in such a way that only 10 connection requests is sent per day for 5 days in a week. All right, so it meets up to the LinkedIn regulations. So this is one of the time delay that I just added, which is this is a 1 minute time delay. So what this has just done is to download the person's profile. So mind you, I'm using a premium tool here for this particular workflow. It's a premium tool. And of course, the profile has been downloaded and then extracted the person's details. Now, from here on, it then switches to either comment on the person's post or to like the person's post. All right. So right now, let's see what happens here. It's going to comment, all right, which is the first one. So it goes up to go. Oh, sorry. It goes up to go and comment. So this is a time delay, 30 seconds time delay. So it goes and then the whole idea is for you to make a comment, generate the comment with AI. Now, this AI comment is such a way that the comment does not exceed 15 words. All right. So it goes to comment and then so it's creating the comment, goes to the comment, launches the comment activity, and of course there's a time delay. So the whole idea for the time delay is to allow the activity to process. So the activity is done processing, and then it should go straight to the next branch, which is the like branch. Okay. So it has commented on that particular post. It will still activate a like on that same post. All right. And of course, there are time delays to just to make it look like a human, actually doing the activity. All right, so it is activating the like activity right now, and of course, there's a short time break. So eventually, it has successfully activated the like activity. Now let's go straight to it goes directly to send a connection request. Okay, so after the liking and the commenting, it goes to send a connection request. And of course, there is a short time break. All right, so it is all right, so it has activated the request, the connection request. So this time break will allow the connection request to successfully process. All right, so once it is done processing, it checks for the update, is it done, and eventually updates the sheet. All right, so it is done processing and it has updated the sheet. All right, so let's go see how it looks eventually. Let's check how it looks. Um, this is the sheet. So let's see for this first person. Let's see. So the like is successful, comment is successful. Let's go check the profile. Let me go to my profile and see the activity, what just the thing that just happened right about now. Let's see. Okay. Let me go to my my network. Um, let's go to connections. Um, let's go to manage. Let me see if it sends the connection. So this is the connection that was sent, drill broker. This was it just was sent 2 minutes ago, right? So let's go back to our sheet, Google Sheet, and see the person's name. Yeah, Drew Broker was sent. So the connection request is pending. It says pending. So the connection has been sent. See, here was new before, but now it says pending. So you can see we've been able to like the person's post. And if let's go to the person's profile basically. Let us check if what we did was correct. So I'll enter the person's profile. Let's see, you see it's pending. So connection request has been sent already. Let's see what particular post I think this is the post. See the like icon there. Let me click on this particular post and then see our comment and of course our like. So this is something that is very, very amazing. So you can see it has been liked. You see this is my profile here, liked. And look at this. Look at the comment. It says your journey illustrates the power of collaboration and authenticity in driving success. So this particular comment is it analyzes this text, understands it, and then creates a comment that is not too long, very short comment. All right. So this is a wonderful piece. You could see that it's working effectively, and I'm really happy for this development. The second phase, I'll do a video for the second phase. It has already been created. The second phase is already created. This is the second phase of the DM follow-up. Okay, I'm gonna do a demo on how this works. All right. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah.